There are 32 MDF panels in this kitchen, and everyone has got an edge like this. Getting them all smooth is going to cost me money, not the customer, me. This is MDF wall paneling, and it's very on trend right now. There are all different ways of creating this style. This has strips of MDF stuck onto the wall to make the squares and rectangles. The board is called MDF. It's just wood chips and glue pressed flat under pressure. It's cheap, it's straight, and it's easy to cut. But then when you cut it, the cut edge comes out like Weetabix. Soft and full of holes. So every edge gets rubbed down by hand, then filled, then rubbed down again, then filled again. On some of them 3 times. 32 panels, 4 sides each time. Three panels down, 27 to go. And also this one under here that I missed. When it comes to pricing wood panelling, MDF wood panelling, I know that I always underprice myself because I never ever allow enough time for the prep. And if I did, then I don't think I don't think I would any work because it'd be too expensive. But I can't leave a raw edge. I mean, there's a raw edge under here, and you can hear it gives me the shivers. But compare that to an edge that's been painted a couple of times, and the difference is night and day. So I just can't leave it with a rough edge. I know a lot of cheaper decorators will, and that's why I'm not winning some of the work, because like I say, they'll just do what they're told. They'll paint it, they won't prep it. But I can't do that. I can't walk away knowing that there's all those rough edges on every panel. It just wouldn't sit right with me. So if you ever ask me to paint some wood panelling, know that I'll be probably losing money, but it will be done right. I've said that out loud now, so I'll say the rest of it too. Losing money on a job isn't fun. It's just bad pricing, and it took me a long time to work that out. These days, I put prep in the price, and I tell my customers what the proper prep gets them. Some of them say no thanks, but the right ones say yes please. Now this bit's not interesting, and that's the point. Nobody films this bit because there's nothing to look at. It's just a man, a bit of filler, and a whole morning gone. This is the final coat of Farrow Ball Shady White Eggshell, which just means it's a softer sheen rather than a flat finish, and it's a lovely paint to use. And it would have gone on exactly the same over all those rough edges. That's the thing about prep. The paint never tells on you, but the MDF panelling will 6 months later when it all starts to sink in and you haven't got a uniform flat finish and it looks awful. 32 panels and every edge is smooth, and no one will ever know the hard work that went into it. Tomorrow, upstairs, and a wall that's not straight.